Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a Rocksbox. Y'all, you know I love Rocksbox. It is a jewelry rental subscription. They rent you 3 pieces of jewelry for $21 a month. You keep them for as long as you want. Then when you're done with them, you can decide to keep something and pay for it, or you send it all back and they send you another box immediately. Like I said, it's $21 a month, not a box. So really fun way to do your jewelry and kind of keep everything fresh. Now, you know me, I have little self-control. I do end up keeping a lot of this jewelry, even though I shouldn't, but I do because it is nice. It's name brand stuff. It's great jewelry. You can decide if you want silver, gold, if you want a mixture of both, if you want earrings, don't want earrings, all that good stuff. It's really customizable. They even have a wish list. You can go in there and say, oh, I'd like to try that. I'd like to try that. I'd like to try that. Then you can put it in order, you know, from 1 through 8, the things I want sooner. So it's really nice. If you want to try this, I do have a referral code. It is GINAPBFF45. That will give you your first box free and $25 of Forever credit. Forever credit is used if you decide to keep something, you can use it for that, and your $21 a month is credited to you if you use something within that month. So really cool. Now we're just going to open this and see what's inside. Make sure you keep this bag because this bag is what you're going to return it in. You just put the return label they provide for you on top of your old label. Look at the cute little box with the bees. Very cute. There's care instructions in there. Hello, gorgeous. For your jewelry, your gold-plated and silver-plated jewelry, and for the demi-fine, because they are carrying demi-fine now. Mainly what that says is if you're going to clean it, use one of these baggies. You know, don't get it wet. Don't put it on and then spray perfume on, that kind of stuff, you know. So here are my baggies, and here is my return label and my price sheet. What are you doing, Miss Bonnie Faye? She's mad because she wants to go outside. And I'm stuck inside right now. Yep, can't go outside. All right, here we go. We're going to open a baggie. All right, so this looks like a Sophie Harper double layer cubic zirconian tennis necklace. Now, the regular price on this is $80, but I do get a member discount, so my price would be $68. I've never had a tennis anything, so I thought I would give it a try. So, what do you think, y'all? Ooh. Now it is cubic zirconian. It's not a real tennis bracelet or tennis necklace. My apologies. But it is really pretty and it gives you that so shiny look. What do y'all think? Kind of falls to the side where this, the shiny part's going to be on the, I don't know how I feel about that. All right, focus camera. It's really pretty though. I'm going to untie this so you can see it better. It does have an extender on it. You get a little claw clip closure here. I normally do it about halfway. What do we think, y'all? It's very pretty, but I do wish that the shiny bits stood up a little more. Maybe it will. We'll leave it on there for a little while. We'll see if the shiny bits stay up. And we'll go on to the next one. Be lovely with a nice dress. And it could go tighter or it can go a little looser. Not much, but a little. So next is the Aster Anya Cuff. This is a $50 value. My member price would bring it to $42. I think I get about 5% right now, but the more you buy, you know, the different milestones and different levels of discount you can get. I'm just on the low side right now. This is pretty. This is really pretty. It's got that hammered look to it. I hope it's focusing. I can't see a thing. Very pretty cuff. I actually like this a lot. I like a cuff. I do. It's just a great way to put a little drama on your wrist. What do y'all think? All right, so, ooh, it's purple. It's gonna match my outfit. So this is the SLATE Parker Resin Hoops in purple and gold. The retail price is $45. My member price would be $38. Yes, it's funky fun, like me. So let's try these on. Take up my Nordstrom earrings here. Ooh, what do we think? I know they're a little big, y'all. They're a little funky, but they're a little fun too. What do you think, y'all? Are they too much? All right, so let me know what you think of this month's box. Do you think I should keep anything? Is it too much? I mean, really, this is probably too much for anything I would ever wear. But this, I think I would wear this a lot. I'm not sure about these yet. I'll have to look at them some more. At least I'm sitting in front of a mirror. I can see it now. They don't quite match my outfit, even though I'm wearing purple today. Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think of this jewelry. What do you like? What do you not like? What do you think of this subscription? All that good stuff. I want to hear it all. I'd also appreciate it if you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribing to my channel is free, so I really appreciate it if you do subscribe. Thank you so very much. Don't forget to share with your friends. Let them know all about the channel. I'd really appreciate it if you'd encourage them to subscribe as well. Don't forget the notification bell and the super thanks down there if you want to leave a tip. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.